In today's video, I've invited my best friend, Henry, here to do a cooking challenge with me, where AI dictates us and chooses our ingredients.
Let's get it!
At the end of the video, our dishes will be graded in 3 different ways. 0 through 10 points for presentation, 0 through 10 points for taste, and lastly, cleanliness.
Let's see what ChatGPT gives us. This will be you.
Zucchini, chicken breast, onion, cheese, and lime.
I don't know about the lime, but everything else is actually pretty good.
Peas, carrots, spicy peppers, cod, eggs, and heirloom tomato. Okay, so you're kind of screwed on this one. Pre-game interview.
So how do you feel with the selection?
Considering on how I don't know how to cook, mediocre at best.
Do you have any idea what you're gonna try to even make?
I think I might try to make cheesy zucchini. I don't know if that's gonna work. Obviously make the chicken just normal. Try to season it with some sauce I can make out of it.
What is the most advanced meal you've ever cooked for yourself?
A bowl of cereal. No, it's probably an omelet. I can make a pretty good omelet, but I didn't get eggs, so.
Sadly, I did.
Yeah.
And I don't know what to do with it. Is this where I'm going?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Name an occupation.
Gage, junior in high school.
Loser. Okay. How many girlfriends do you have?
Too much.
0. What do you think you're gonna be making?
I can't even begin to imagine what I would make with those. Because I got 2 entree items that I'm gonna somehow need to incorporate. Unless, I have an idea. I'm thinking breaded cod with a side of peas and carrot. British staple, I'm American. A spicy sauce to go over the top of the cod.
Okay. Well, that's all the questions I have for you. Thank you for your time.
All right, Henry.
Let's get it, people. All right, so I laid out all my ingredients that I got. Okay, now we're gonna cut this bad boy up. Shout out to Gage for teaching me how to hold the knife. So we got rid of all the parts we don't want. So now I'm just gonna cut these into like little strips. They're kind of chunky, so I might cut them in halves.
Okay.
This is gonna be fine. Cut these into halves. Okay, we're done chopping this bad boy. Just since I already have all the vegetables and stuff on here, I'm gonna cut the lime in half so I can squeeze it on the chicken. Perfect. Okay guys, all of our vegetables and lime of fruit?
Yeah.
All of our vegetables and fruit are cut up, so now let's get the pan rolling. Guys, I think I might be fine on this challenge.
Oh, you got it.
I don't know how high I want it to be. Probably low, right?
I can't tell you anything,
Yeah, you're right. Okay, olive oil.
but I can't help.
Where is it? Balsamic? No. Oh my gosh, I am so good at doing this. How am I doing that? It's because it's all slippery, that's why. Forgot the cheese, crap.
Oh wow, he's rushing. He's making cheesy zucchini. Which honestly, it didn't sound really good, but once he said Parmesan, I don't know why I gave him that grade, or I should have gave him a better one. Okay guys, I don't think I ever told him, always make sure to kind of bear claw your cheese too, because you don't want extra skin in there.
Imagine Gordon Ramsay was on this to be the judge.
You would be so proud of me.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
So guys, check out the zucchini. It's finished. See, straight to the plate. Oh, it's still hot.
Okay, that doesn't look half bad.
It's not look that bad. I think that looks good. Okay, now we gotta get the chicken. We're cooked. Pun intended.
Literally. I'd recommend cubing.
Cubing? Okay. We're just gonna take out this weird piece right here. So, don't really have like too much of an idea of what I'm doing, to be honest. But I think I'm not doing half bad, especially coming from like a 0 cooking experience. Okay.
If this were to be a cuisine, what cuisine would it be?
Cuisine?
Like what country would it come from?
Oh, this would 100% be coming from Poland. No, it's probably like a French thing. But then I don't know how much chicken they eat in France.
I don't know.
In France.
I mean,
No, this is probably American.
you put them in, fellas.
Guys, listen to that sizzle. Listen to that sizzle. This is the hardest part of my challenge right here because I've never cooked raw meat. Kind of forgot to film me taking them off, but the chickens are done. Look how golden that is.
Hey.
I'm trying not to put the onions onto the chicken area because I put onions in for flavor. Am I going to put these like back in the pan for a second?
You'd like it, but it may disrupt your.
Yeah, this one's going to live here from now on.
Sweet.
Okay. Oh. Boom.
Wow.
We're finished, guys.
Check it. Check the presentation.
Oh my gosh.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Let me know. This is pretty much each other's lunch, by the way. We're making each other lunch today.
Mm-hmm. I would have liked it if it was a little bit warmer. And I know you did try to warm it up, but
I don't even like it cold either, so sure.
your chicken, though, your chicken is actually really good.
Really? Okay.
For your first time doing chicken, like, that's hard to do what you just did.
Okay.
That's really
Let's
hard
go.
to do what you just
Oh my gosh.
did.
Okay.
Okay, so, no, I'm just really confused.
Oh god.
Your bigger one was like drier than your smaller ones, when
Yeah.
it should be vice versa. I think what happened was they're all done at the same time, but you took the small ones off first.
Yeah.
So for your zucchini, I will rate you on the most enjoyable 5 out of 10. And that's okay. That's okay.
That's good. I'll take it.
Your chicken, you're damn near a 9 out of 10.
Are we serious? Oh my gosh.
For your food in general, I will give you a 8 out of 10.
That's good. That's good.
Presentation, I would say it
Dog.
could have some improvement.
And then out of cleanliness.
Cleanliness, you definitely had some issues at the beginning. I will give you that. You definitely had some issues at the beginning.
Yeah. Okay. Break. It's a break. It's a break.
So you're actually doing pretty good at the very end. You did cut out a lot of chicken, which a lot of it's
Yeah.
fine. For cleanliness, I'll give you a 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
Just because your workspace still looks like that over there.
Yeah.
In the end, you're at a 21 out of 30. Good job, man.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, guys. That's Gage's lunch. Let me know how I did in the comments. You guys can also rate, but final rating is a 21 out of 30.
Let's go next.
Next one.
Attention, if you do not want to witness a culinary sin, click off the video now. You've been warned. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Right now is I am making my breading for the cod, I think. So I'm making the breading for the cod right now. I never made this before, so I'm just going off of what I think it's like.
Oh, no.
There we go.
Here you go. Do 3. One like this, one Cajun style, then one. So where are we putting it in the pan right now?
Basically, I'm frying it right now. So some olive oil. Hopefully, it cooks internally pretty well.
Hopefully.
I'm-
If I
I'm-
eat this raw, would I die?
No,
Would I get sick?
maybe.
Well, you better start watching it.
Probably smart, right?
Yeah, maybe. I just don't know how well.
It's black!
Yes, chef.
Oh my god!
These are burning. I know.
Hey, madam! Get out!
I think he won.
Oh my gosh. Do not eat that.
Raj! Come here, you. It's raw. It's raw!
We're restarting this, John.
Make Cajun style.
Make a Cajun.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
It's not done. Should have done. I really should have thought better on what to make, and probably should not have made fish sticks that I've never made before.
Hey, this is looking pretty good so far. Don't forget, you have presentation to worry about.
Oh yeah, I forgot that was a category.
So, after further consideration, I gave Gage a 5 on taste.
I mean, honestly, if we were going on the intensity taste, I would have gone to 10.
Fun presentation. Honestly, I'm just gonna give him a 6 on cleanliness. He cleaned everything up pretty much. So that adds up to 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
15 out of 30.
50%, baby!